Hi guys, today we're going to talk about measurement problems. I can figure out real world problems involving measurement. Okay, we're going to think really hard today, you guys. Okay, here's our first example. Ethan has 15 meters of string. He cuts the string into 3 pieces of equal length. How many centimeters long is each piece of string? So we need to think about that piece of string and how many centimeters long it is. If you notice, he's starting with 15 meters of string. So this is a two-step problem. We're going to have to divide the string, and then we're going to have to convert from meters to centimeters. We can do it. All right, guys. So here's Ethan's string. This white line. We're going to pretend like it's 15 meters long. So the first thing I do is I visualize the problem and I really try to imagine what it is that it's talking about. So now I've cut it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. How long is each piece? Well, if I have 15 meters and I divide it by 3, each piece would have to be 5 meters. So each piece would be 5 meters long. But guys, remember, the question asks how many centimeters long is each piece? So I'm thinking back to when we were in the classroom talking about measurement. And Mrs. McElroy got out that big meter stick. Remember, 1 meter stick has 100 centimeters all the way across. So if there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter and I have 5 meters, how many centimeters would that be? Well, basically, guys, I'm doing 5 times 100, which of course is 500 centimeters. You guys catching on? Okay, let's do another example. Tanisha has 21 milliliters of apple juice. She divides the juice evenly into 3 different glasses. How much juice does she pour into each glass? Tanisha pours blank milliliters of juice in each glass. So first of all, I don't think I need to convert anything because it's talking about milliliters and our answer is in milliliters. So this is a one-step problem. Let's start by visualizing. All right, so I'm imagining, here's her pitcher of juice, and then she's got 3 empty glasses. So I'm going to pretend there's 21 milliliters in this pitcher. She wants to divide the 21 milliliters between these 3 glasses. So I'm just going to take 21 and divide it by 3, which if you know your math facts, you should get 7. So each glass would hold 7 milliliters of apple juice. So guys, visualizing that problem is what's going to really help you to understand it, and then you'll know how to solve it. All right, here's our last example. The area of the rectangular sandbox is 36 square feet. The short side of the sandbox measures 4 feet. How long is the long side of the sandbox? Okay, and I notice my answer is in feet. I do not need to convert anything, but this is a missing length problem, so I've got to figure that out. I'm still going to start by visualizing, and I'm going to make a sketch. So I know, first of all, area is length times width, right, guys? So here's my rectangular sandbox. I know the area of the sandbox is 36 square feet. I also know from the problem, it'll let me go back, that the short side is 4 feet. So I labeled it 4 feet over here. So this is the side we're trying to figure out, the long side of the sandbox. So if the area is 36, and I know it's length times width, so I know 4 times some number is going to give me 36. Math facts. Did you guys figure it out? It would have to be 9 because 4 times 9 is 36. So the long side right here would have to be 9 feet long. Guys, you got this? All right. Today's assignment is on Think Central. Please, please, please email me if you need any help, and I will get back to you. Have a great day, guys.